What's up everyone? Today I'm installing a bagging system on John Deere S130 lawn tractor. The bagger is already mounted and up ready to go. And in this video I will show you the full installation step by step so you can do yourself at home. First let's open the box and check everything inside. Make sure you have everything to complete the job. First we got the bags. Then we got mounting hardware, transfer tubes, support frame, safety pins, and instruction manual. At this point, you don't need to read instruction manual. It's too much. I'll do all work for you. I will show you step by step. Now it is time to start putting the bagging system together on the floor before mounting it to the tractor. First, I'm installing the mounting arm that supports the whole collection system. After that, I'm attaching the crossbar for extra strength and protection. Now the bagger is ready to be mounted on the tractor. Next, I am lifting the bagging system into the back of the John Deere S130 and locking it into place. After mount properly and pins are on place, then we will be putting locking pin across on the bar so it does not come loose while we cutting grass. Now for the transfer tubing. This tube carry the grass clipping from the mower into the collection bag. Make sure the tube is fully connected and snapped into place properly at both ends. If the tube is loose or not sealed correctly, the clipped grass can clog the tubing or will blow out through the gaps while you are mowing your lawn. With the tubing installed, it is time to hang the collection bags into the frame. The bags slide into place pretty easily and lock into the rails. Alright, everything is fully installed, so let's test it out on the lawn. You can see the grass clipping travels through the tubing into filling up the bag just like they should. And here is the final result. The bagging system collected the grass really well and now it is easy to dump everything out for cleanup. Thanks for watching, and here is one final look at John Deere S130 with the complete bagging system installed and ready for lawn season. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other lawn equipment videos.